In this video, I'm going to give you a close-up look and a quick demo of this 1/4-inch torque wrench. This was sent over to me by the brand for the purposes of making this video. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a plastic carrying case for transport and storage. You're going to get a user manual and your wrench. The wrench is about a foot long, thereabouts, maybe 11 inches or so. It's made out of a pretty stout steel. It's got some texture here on the handle. Make sure you got something to hold on to when you're working. The locking collar here basically pulls back. You twist the head to the torque value that you're looking for, release the locking collar, and you can see it locked into place, and that's not gonna move. Basically, you got two readouts. You got inch pounds and Newton meters, and on the dial here, this goes in 2 increments. So basically, 1 full rotation of the head equals 20 inch-pounds of torque. It does have a rocker here for forward and reverse, and you've also got a button here for your locking sockets. Push your button, let it go, and it'll lock your sockets on there if it has that feature on the socket itself. So guys, once you set your torque value, you do want to, gently ease into your torque. So basically, you want to work your ratchet in small turns so that you don't blow past your torque value. I find that the torque value or the clicks on this here is pretty subtle. They do give you that information in the manual, so you do want to pay attention to that. But as long as you're easing into the torque, you will feel that click and everything will be good to go. So it's a very nicely made torque wrench here, guys. If you guys are looking for a 1/4-inch torque wrench, I highly recommend this KEEMEETOOLS torque wrench here. Hope this helps.